What's good, YouTube? Brett here with Grandpa's Treasure Shop, and today we're going to be covering more on the seller side of TikTok Shop. I know there's a lot of content out there on TikTok Shop affiliate. I started off on the seller side back in end of 2024. So I've been kind of in the trenches and I've done well over 200K on TikTok Shop across multiple different seller accounts. So let's get started. First, you have to decide, is TikTok seller right for me? Or do I want to promote products for brands and earn commission on the affiliate side? That's up to you. I would say TikTok Shop platform is very user-friendly on the seller side. There are some pros and cons. One of the cons I would say is, as it is user-friendly, there's known to be a lot of glitches. There's been so many instances where I would be trying to manually print a shipping label and I would be having trouble with it. Now, there is a great feature though called Fulfilled by TikTok. It functions very similar to Amazon, where you can just send bulk products to a fulfillment warehouse within TikTok and they will ship out your orders for you. And TikTok prefers that you do it this way. Me currently, I do a little bit of both. So some of my best sellers I'll send to the fulfillment warehouse. Basically, when you do a high volume of sales, it's a lot to keep up with if it's just you running the operation, just like me. It's just me and my partner, my wife. And we have a newborn running this shop from home. So keeping up with fulfillment has become our latest priority, making sure that we never have to fulfill orders on our own. Now, enough about me. For you, you have to really determine, do you have something you can sell? That's where it all starts. What am I going to sell? And it can be a very hard question. If you don't know what to sell, then maybe TikTok Shop affiliate might be right for you. Me, I have always been a hustler. I've always been an entrepreneur, so I just kind of dove right in. Just a little bit of backstory on me. I bought a Cricut Maker 4. If you're unfamiliar with what a Cricut Maker 4 is, basically you can just create like custom things, a large array of different things. Honestly, me, I specialize in credit card stickers. That's where I started with this shop that I'm going to show you. That's the first question that you have to ask yourself is it right for me? Another tip that I would recommend if you do want to embark on the seller side versus affiliate is you can register one TikTok shop on the seller side under your social. Only one. I personally would recommend just getting an LLC. I do that for all my businesses, and why it's so important, the business is held liable. And what I mean is, let's just say for whatever reason you did get sued for something, right? You don't want that to be under your social security number, because then if somebody took you to court, then that is bound by your personal assets. So you need to be very careful when deciding to put businesses under your social. It's best to put them under an EIN, an LLC, so that you can, just protect yourself, your personal assets, your house, your car, whatever you may have a loan on. It's very important to put it under an LLC, but also putting it under LLCs mean that you can operate multiple TikTok shops. It's going to be a little challenging to do it all on the same phone. I have only found one method of which I can do this, and I use an iPhone, so I use the seller app, and then for another shop that I run, I use my Safari browser. So that's the best way that I've determined, because they don't have a toggle like the TikTok app does where you can switch between accounts, probably because they don't expect sellers to have multiple accounts, let's be honest. But yeah, that would be my first question as this introductory video is, what do you want to do, seller or affiliate? And if you want to be a seller, you got to figure out what you're going to sell. Drop shipping, technically you can do that on TikTok. I don't really recommend it, to be honest. Drop shipping can be a little tougher. I would say seller side is good for you if you are manufacturing your own products. There are some people that are drop shipping on TikTok, but I'm not one of those guys that's gonna recommend it, if I'm being honest. And I don't have anything against it, but it's just, I was into drop shipping in back in 2017, 2018, 2019, and I definitely know a thing or two about drop shipping. TikTok is not very friendly when it comes to drop shippers, just in my history of doing this. Being honest, I did try drop shipping on TikTok before I realized that TikTok kind of makes it a little hard for you. And we like to think smarter, not harder. Stay tuned for the next episode where I cover some of the key things that you need to learn within the seller dashboard. Till next time.